Monkey says hello too. In maths today, we're going to be exploring different ways to show our learning. To help us to do this, we're going to use some objects. So we're going to use some cubes, but you might use some different objects. And we're also going to need a pencil and paper today. Let's get started. There are lots of different ways you could show your learning. You could use objects. So like Monkey and I used cubes. You could have your cubes, 3 and 2 equals 3, 4, 5. 5. So I put my add sign in there so everyone knows I was adding them. Or you could draw pictures. You could do your smiley faces. So 1, 2, 3, add 2 smiley faces, equals, I could draw all 5 of the smiley faces or write the number 5. I'm going to choose to draw them. 3, 4, 5. You could look at the other videos and see other ways that we've used them, using the tens frame, or you could draw your own part whole diagram as well. Lots of different ways you can show your learning. So have a practice at home. Bye. Another fun way to addition is to make some pictures. So I've done an underwater scene. I've got some fish. I have got some starfish. This is my seaweed. And these are my crabs. Now the first thing I want to know is how many are there of each? How many fish I've got? So you count them for me. 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 fish. How many starfish are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many crabs? 1, 2. 2 crabs. And how many pieces of seaweed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's lots of things swimming around in my ocean. So my first question to you is, how many starfish are there? Can you remember? 4. That's right, it was 4. I've got 4 starfish. And I want to know how many starfish there are and how many fish there are. So I'm going to put my add sign because I've got my 4 starfish. And I'm going to add my, how many fish? 3 fish. Add my 3 fish. And then I'm going to write the equal sign. So I've got 4 starfish. And I'm going to add my 3 fish to it. So I know I've got 4, that can go in my head. And then I can count on 5, 6, 7. So altogether, I have 7 underwater creatures. 4 starfish, add 3 fish, equals 7 creatures altogether. I wonder how many bits of seaweed I've got. Can you remember? Let's double check and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 pieces of seaweed. And this time I'm going to add the crabs on. So I've got 6. I need to put add my plus sign. How many crabs were there am I adding on? 1, 2 crabs. Then I need an equal sign. How many then altogether? Seaweed plus crabs. 6 and 2. So I can put 6 in my head. So put my 6 in my head and then add on my 2. So 6 is in my head. 7, 8. There are 8 altogether. 6 pieces of seaweed plus 2 crabs gives me 8 altogether. We discovered lots of different ways of recording what we found out. Which did you like best? I really enjoyed drawing the pictures and then writing number sentences underneath them. I wonder if you could have a go at doing that. Can you draw yourself some pictures of
some different animals maybe? And can you have a go at creating your own number sentences underneath by combining two of your groups of pictures? Have fun. See you later.